So I'm gonna do a unpackaging. I received some stuff from China. China. Rip that thing up. Some envelope. The envelope. Bag. So small stuff. Electronic component, capacitor and stuff. Okay, my 2 packages right there. Let's see, where's my scalpel, coffee. Okay. Oh, I could cut myself, was already open. Oh, this one's open. Imagine, they check it. They wanted to know, So some 10 volt. Oh no, what are those? Need glasses. Where's my glasses? Small cap, 35 volts. I was checking on the slip, but so I started to check directly on it. 100 UF, 220. I don't know. They cut the bag with the thing. Hey. Okay. What are they? This is for the amp. Subwoofer amp. Another stuff. 220, 35 volt. 220, 35 volts. Nice. One done. Next. Oh yes. That package was open too. Imagine. Check everything. They cannot scan it and just check it. They have to open it. So this is for a mixer Pioneer. Don't remember the name. It's for record box. 2 turntable and the scratch. So I'm gonna fix that. This one here, it's open to cut it here, they cut it here. Wow, beautiful. So what kind of poison is that? This is the chip. NE5532. 5532P. So this is for the guitar amp. Last time I was thinking it was a 555. It was not the good one. It was timer chip last time. Those are the good ones. Okay, this one here. It's open already. Beautiful. So easy to open now. There's nothing really on the sticker. That's another one. Order 2. Probably order 2. It's just 10. Fuck. Go everywhere. No! Don't drop on the floor already. Don't disappear in the 5th dimension. So I'm gonna put them in the same bag if they are the same. TP 566. Why I have 2? I need more than just 10. I have to check on them. So small. The bag's open, so easy. 55532P. And those 55532P. And those here 55532P. Should I mix them? It's not the same brand. Not the same brand. Cannot really see, I think, with the. I don't know, I'm trying. I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna mix them anyway. I just have to check the correct one is the correct one. Are they? My god, it seems the same. those are the same. Okay. Yeah, it's two different brands. Huh. So just gonna patch the bag. I just got it. Beautiful. Let's patch the bag. Chum, 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 chum. Chum, 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 chum. And one was picture again. It's all the same. Some hot. Not this one. No. Beautiful. I'm not sure if I should put that on the video. Oh, what happened with my